Ready, go!
Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Buhari's ex-minister asks court to disqualify Tinubu and Atiku. Buhari's ex-minister asks court to disqualify Tinubu and Atiku. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. The immediate past Minister of State for Education, Dïsqüalify, and a group, Incorporated Trustees of Rights for All International, have filed an originating summons before a federal high court in Abuja, seeking an order declaring Dïsqüalify as the authentic presidential candidate of the APC. The plaintiffs are also praying for the cancellation of the vote garnered by the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar. The first to sixth defendant. In the case with suit number FHC ABJ CS 942-2022 are the APC, the PDP, Tinubu, Atiku, the Attorney General of the Federation, and the Independent National Electoral Commission. Dïsqüalify, who purchased the APC presidential form for 100 million naira, but polled only one vote at the June 8th primary, accused Tinubu of bribing delegates with dollars. The plaintiffs also attached as evidence a video recording showing the immediate past Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi, lamenting that delegates to the APC primary sold their vote. Those who voted at the APC primaries, who are they? They are ordinary Nigerians. The small money they got solved their immediate problem. Now they are saying they made a mistake. You are now hearing different things. Amechi said at the 60th birthday celebration of Apostle Eugene Ogu, General Overseer of Abundant Life Evangel Mission, last week. Based on the evidence, Dïsqüalify and Rai presented 25 issues for determination by the court. Specifically, the ex-minister asked the court to determine whether the composition of the delegates contravened Article 11A, 12(1) and 31 of the Constitution of the APC. The ex-minister also asked the court to determine if the composition of the delegates at the PDP primary contravened Section 33(1) and 5(c) of the Constitution of the party. The plaintiffs prayed the court to determine whether, having regard to the clear, unambiguous, and express provisions and tenor of Section 6, A, B, and C, read alongside Section 15(5) of the 1999 Constitution, the court has the inherent judicial powers to nullify, cancel, and declare as illegal the presidential primaries of the APC and the PDP. Nwajuba asked the court to determine if all the votes cast in favor of Tinubu and Atiku at the Special National Convention of the APC and PDP are illegal, null and void, of no effect whatsoever on the grounds of corruption and selling of delegate votes and voter inducement. Lastly, the ex-minister prayed the court to decide if, having regard to the express provisions of paragraphs 1 and 8 of the 5th schedule of the 1999 Constitution, the corrupt conduct of the third defendant, Tinubu, and the fourth defendant, Atiku, in buying vote and corruptly inducing delegates with dollars and naira in various sums to secure their vote at the Special National Convention, disqualifies them from further seeking, contesting and holding the office of the president. Consequently, the ex-minister is seeking 26 reliefs, including an order that the composition of the delegate at the APC and the PDP was not properly constituted. Specifically, Nwajuba asked the court to rule that Atiku and Tinubu, along with their agents, bribed delegates with dollars and the votes they got should be declared illegal. The plaintiffs are seeking a declaration that the conduct of the third, Tinubu, and fourth, Atiku defendants, who, by way of corrupt inducement of delegates with US dollars, which being a foreign currency and non-legal tender in Nigeria under the CBN Act, used the dollars of the inducement of vote in favor of the third, Tinubu, and fourth, Atiku defendant, has rendered the vote they scored at the special convention of the first defendant, APC, and the second defendant, PDP, illegal, void, and invalid, and of no effect whatsoever, and thus inhibiting Tinubu and Atiku from benefiting from the proceeds of their gross illegalities. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.